Hello, my beautiful train wrecks. Hi, Toma. This is Jill, and
Hi there.
it's Philip.
Hello.
Happy Wednesday. You'll see this on Wednesday. We're actually recording this on Tuesday, and we just seen news that the beloved Prince of Darkness, Ozzy Osbourne, has died. So anybody Generation X will know that is a huge loss in the rock and roll community or heavy metal community. So, yes. So, kind of like sad for a moment, but it'll be okay. He lived to 76 with Parkinson's, and he just had a farewell concert a couple weeks ago, maybe it was. So, yeah. And this one, of course, I cannot wait to do this one. The emotional dumpster fire, which my life is a dumpster fire. Isn't that awesome? Yay! Excited. Oh, this one. Yeah, it did. I thought, wait a minute, it doesn't come with a tray. It does. It does. Tray. If you do diamond paintings, you get a crap ton of these. Anybody know? Anybody? Anybody? No? Need any? Let me know. So,
You didn't throw it and hit Jimmy this time.
no, I didn't throw it and hit Jimmy. So, dumpster fire. This one is number 2. Philip chose this as number 2. I'm going to do a spinner, and I'm not going to put the names of them. I'm just going to put the numbers. Because I'll forget the order. It will be forgotten. And Philip also chose green, a light green, candy apple green for the... I'm not doing it until the end because I did it last time and I had to remove it. These are in bags. I do not use the bags. Don't like the bags. Don't know why. I just don't. I prefer pots. Pots. And these pots are tiny. But I want to keep everything in one case. So we're going with the smaller pots. That's my plan, and I'm going to try to stick to it. All right. These are in reverse order. You sound crazy. 17, 16, 15. 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9. 9 ran away. Ow, I just ran over my foot. Don't look at me like that, Jimmy. Jimmy's mad at me. He's just looking like, yeah. And if you would see, I don't want to ruin the shot, but if you would see, he's got his paws over Tom's or Philip's arm and just looking at me like, haha, bitch. That hurt a lot. And I kind of need my feet.
Almost taking up screen time.
I told my, is this your video? It was Frank's video, last video. No. No. She doesn't like to get, she doesn't like, no. She will come back and go, Toma is Toma. And she likes it that way. So, let's get started. Hopefully, this video doesn't do it the last time we did video. Yesterday's video was chaos. But that's why you come here, I'm sure. What happened the last video, Philip?
It recorded for exactly 0 seconds. And it said that. It did record.
At all.
For 0 seconds.
Yeah.
This video tried to record for 0 seconds 3 times.
And we finally got it. So. Yeah. And Philip is in here with me because my voice is still a little cracky from staying at Grandma's house because I talked for 10 days
To a woman that can't hear.
constantly to my grandma, who is hard of hearing. Mind you, it was a labor of love. I love my grandma, and I'm happy that I get to be able to spend a couple weeks with her whenever I want to do it, you know. And she was very happy to know that I will be coming back in November. And I told her I would stay with her as long as she wanted me there within reason. I'm not going to move there.
Oh, but she would.
She wants us to move there.
She's been trying.
She keeps saying, "Oh, there's houses all over. You would like it, and Philip would be able to get a job." I'm like, I can't because Tom's work is out of Indianapolis, so that's just not feasible. So no, that can't happen, even though I know she wants it really badly. I just say, well, Grandma, we'll have to see. That's all you can say. We'll have to see, Grandma. So last video, we speed ran the talks of Grandma watching Ninja Warrior and
Other show.
And America's Got Talent.
Not liking who's mine.
Yeah. And trying to judge who will be X'd. And she pretty much wanted everybody X'd, and I thought that was hilariously fun. Oh, they're gonna get X'd. It was just wonderful. It makes it sound like we didn't have a good time. I had a wonderful time. It's my grandma. She's 94, and I love her.
You got to cook a lot, which you don't get to do often.
No, but you know, I knew what Grandma wanted to eat, and I knew that Philip may not know how to cook some of it.
Well, I wouldn't be able to eat most of it anyway.
Right. A lot of it had egg. We had a lot of cold salads, like potato salad, macaroni salad, pea salad, chicken salad, tuna salad, egg salad, a lot of salads, a lot of cold foods, because she liked, and it was hot.
And and for those who don't know, I can't eat eggs.
No.
I will get very sick if I eat them.
Yes. And I have to be in moderation.
Yeah, so and that's the same for me. It's like if it's baked into a dessert on a rare occasion, I'll eat it. But even then, I don't even eat desserts often. It's a case of eggs and meat just don't get along.
Yeah.
And
well, there's certain things stay. There are certain things that is worth it. Okay. Deviled eggs, worth it.
No, it's not for me, but that's custard for me.
Yeah. Desserts with eggs, worth it.
Except for cake for me. I don't like cake. I don't think it's worth the eggs.
I got to move Beatrice Honeycut Honeybum. Did I say that right? Yeah. Yeah. Beatrice Honeycut Honeybum. Named, we had a drawing for her, and she was named lovingly from Crafty Kristen. Hi, Kristen. So yes, we feed her trash. She's our trash bee. So yeah.
But yep, you got to do a lot of cooking. Got to go through a lot of family photos, which
yes. There was chaos within that, which I won't go into detail. But let's just say some photos they didn't have, and some photos I didn't have.
And some photos we had were fine, and some photos, but their versions were damaged. So.
Right. So I went Tom and I went to Walmart, and $120 later, most of the pictures I wanted got scanned. There were some I didn't, and I was like, I was okay with that. I can always get a scan later. So yes, I have those. Very happy about that. And let's see. the first excitement, like true excitement, wonder. Like, I've never seen my grandma like so young at heart and curious. Then when she said, Jill, come here. And I said, what, grandma? You know, kind of ran there, you know. She goes, come here and look. All these people on bicycles. I hope they don't crash. Look how close they are. Oh man, if one goes, they're all gonna go. I hope they don't crash. I hope they're okay. And I'm like, Grandma, have you ever seen Tour de France before? She said, what's that? I'm like, you're watching it. It's the first time she'd ever seen Tour de France. And she was just like mesmerized for like a half an hour.
And then it wore off.
Then it wore off, and she's like, nah, I'm done.
Yeah.
But,
and there was, because we were over the 4th of July week.
Yeah.
And so there was a parade going on in lovely Clinton, Indiana that was on the TV.
Yeah.
And
no, it was Linton.
Oh, it was Linton. Yeah.
Linton.
Sorry, we have Linden, we have Linton, and we have Clinton. And there's 3 very similar sounding names in this state.
Yes. So we were there, or we were watching that from there, and she was like, what did she say? Oh my gosh, I was cooking. What did she say?
She said, now why would anyone want to sit around and watch a bunch of old cars?
I love my grandma. I adore this woman because she is kind of like, I wonder where I get it from. Not afraid to kind of like, bam, information.
Yeah. She loved it when like there was cheerleaders or bands.
Yeah.
But the moment there was like a bunch, more than one car on the street at a time, she was upset by it.
She's like, why? Like, I don't know, Grandma. So yeah, and then so that day we watched that and stuff, and then
and it's a good thing that parade happened that day.
Yes.
Because later in that week, on that parade route, a building just collapsed.
It
out
just
of nowhere.
fell. It was a old brick building, and it just collapsed. And we were all like, holy crap.
Overall,
people were just there.
Yeah, and overall in Indiana, over the 4th of July week, there was a lot of things
Fireworks.
happening.
Yeah.
Not just fireworks, but there was an incident at one of our state parks, and and Chris, who you've seen on the channel before, was actually there during it. He's fine. He actually helped get the ambulance in.
Yeah.
But yeah, that scared people. There was an incident downtown Indy.
Yeah. That's not a surprise.
Yeah. So.
Ooh, do you hear that sarcasm?